Work from anywhere and earn with Stellar AI, a smart way to get paid for annotating data. From tagging images to labeling text, your work helps train powerful AI systems. No experience needed, just sign up, follow simple tasks, and start earning on your own time with Stellar AI. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to earn money through data annotation jobs. So without further ado, let us begin. So there are plenty of ways on how to get data annotation jobs. So you can use websites like Stellar AI, DataAnnotation.tech, or what you can do is also search up for data annotation jobs right here in Upwork. So this is just a freelancing website that has a lot of data annotation jobs right here that you could choose from. And then same goes right here with the jobs right here that you can find on Google. So you can find some data annotation jobs right here through Google as well. So you could apply to any of these jobs. So there are plenty ways on how to apply for data annotation jobs. It's just really up to you on which one you are going to apply to. But within this video, we'll be focusing on Stellar AI. So what is Stellar AI? So Stellar AI just allows you to work on data annotation jobs from your home and has a straightforward hourly rate, and then it will give you a diverse set of tasks that match your skills, and you can also have flexible work hours right here so you can work at hours that are convenient for you, and of course no experience or previous experience is required. And then you can also work as much as you want. Okay. So once you're in Stellar AI, what you want to do from here is just simply sign up. So just click on get started right here. There you go. And then after that, just simply type in your email address and your password. Once you're done, just simply click on register to get started. And then from here, what you want to do is you just simply verify your email that they will send to the email that you use. So just open up your email and then just simply click on the verification link. There you go, email has now been verified, so just simply click on the next step right here. And there you go, so we are now in the skill match section right here. So the following assessment is designed to give you more information about the skills needed to work with us. It also helps us to ensure we have the right type of work for you. So this test may take up to 45 to 90 minutes to complete. After you complete it, we will review it and let you know if we have the right type of work for you. When you're ready, click on the button below to start. So just simply start the assessment right here. And then just simply answer all of the tests right here that will be given to you. So just simply click on go. There you go. So just simply answer these questions. Once you're done, it will now ask you to tell a little bit more about yourself, like your first name, your last name, your country of residence, and etc. So just simply answer all of these details right here. And then there you go. So I added my first name and last name right here, my country of residence, the highest level of education, your English level, and then how many hours per week do you think you will be able to work. And then just tell them about what type of projects and subjects you would like to work on, and then how did you hear about Stellar AI. And then once you're done, you simply click on submit. And then once you're done, you simply click on submit. And then there you go, so your answers have been submitted. So thank you for submitting your answers, and then they will review them and be in touch over your email with the results. So you can now go back to the home page right here and just wait until Stellar AI has replied or has verified your sign up process. So all I have to do now is wait, and then once you're accepted, you can now start looking up for available projects right here that are suited with your skills. So this is an example right here on what it looks like. So once you're done doing the skill match test to get the best suited projects, you can now start up by looking for projects. So these are example projects right here, like select which AI chatbot answer is the best, and that says right here that it will pay you around $40 per hour. So you can start with this project if this is the kind of skills that are suited for you. And then there you go, and then once you're done, you'll get paid competitive rates on a weekly basis, just like this one right here, and where you can earn up to $1,528. So yeah, and then some other data annotation jobs that you could also apply on is called DataAnnotation.tech right there. So the website is called DataAnnotation.tech, so you can sign up in here as well. So once you're here, just simply click on apply now, and then it will just simply ask you to sign up. And then after signing up, it says right here that they don't have any projects to assign you at the moment. So if it's like this, what you can do is you just simply set up your profile. So just simply click on your profile right here. There you go. And then from here, you can now start setting up your profile. So in here, just select your language, your skills. You can add additional skills in background right here as well, and then etc. You can also add your PayPal email right here so that the money can be sent to you once you have been given a job. So yeah, and then once you're done filling up these details right here, all you have to do again is just wait until Data Annotation will now give you a project for you. So in Data Annotation, you can start earning at $20+ per hour, and then millions of dollars are being paid out through these websites as well. But again, the hassle part about these websites right here is you have to wait until there are available jobs for you that fit within your skills. So yeah, that's why I would not really rely on these kinds of websites. So if I were you, I would really try using Upwork right here, which is a freelance website. And then in here, they have a lot of data annotation jobs right here that you could choose from. So they have like medical data annotation specialist, linguistic annotation, news articles, senior data labeling consultant, data annotator, AI results verification and evaluation testing, and a lot more. So in here, again, what you need to do is also create an account on Upwork. And then after creating an account on Upwork, you could also apply to these jobs right here. So yeah, so the good thing with Upwork is that it is diverse and you could choose already which kind of data annotation job that you could choose from. Unlike for these websites right here like Stellar AI and Data Annotation AI, you would really need to set your skills right here or add the skills or take tests so that they will help determine which kind of job or project suits best for you. So yeah, and then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to earn money through data annotation jobs. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.